Paano nga ba magbenta ng digital products sa Rocket PH, paano gumawa ng account, at kung paano mag-upload ng digital products. Kung ito ay isa sa iyong mga katanungan about Rocket PH, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Rose, at sa channel na ito ay gumagawa ako ng mga video tutorials na makatulong upang makapagsimula ka ng sarili mong digital product business. So, if interested ka sa topic ng channel na ito, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong video tutorials. Alright, last week, I uploaded my 1-month journey about Rocket PH. And then may nag-comment kung pwede ba akong gumawa ng tutorial about Rocket PH. Sabi niya, "Hi ma'am, pwede po bang pa-help kung paano mag-upload sa Rocket at paano magkaroon ng Pro Badge at pwede po ba kayong gumawa ng tutorial kung paano mag-edit sa Canva?" So, I decided na gumawa nga ako ng video tutorials. Though I'm not a Rocket PH expert here guys, ang i-share ko lang po sa iyo ay kung ano yung experience ko at kung ano yung process ko. So, bago ang lahat, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ano nga ba ang Rocket PH? Rocket PH is a powerful but simple e-commerce platform. It's perfect for anyone who makes and sells products and services. So, kung ikaw ay mahilig na gumawa ng mga digital products and then kung meron kang mga services na ginagawa mo online like video editing, graphic design, so pwede kang mag-join dito kay Rocket PH. Ngayong alam mo na kung ano ang Rocket PH at kung paano ka matulungan nito para kumita ka online by selling digital products and online services, ang next step na ipapakita ko sa iyo ay kung paano naman gagawa ng account. First thing first na gagawin mo para makapagbenta kay Rocket PH ay of course ang paggawa ng account. So punta ka muna dito sa rocket.ph and then i-click mo itong Become a Rocketeer. So sa next page, i-click mo itong Get Started. To join Rocket PH guys, you need to sign up using this mga sign up method below using your Gmail account, your email, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So, pili ka lang dyan kung alin yung mas gusto mo. Personally, pinili ko nung nag-sign up ako dito ay I sign up with my Google account. So, kapag ito ang pinili mo, just click this one. And here are the list of my Google account na gusto kong i-sign up. So, pili ka lang ng Gmail account mo na gusto mong gamitin kay Rocket PH. And then, just follow the screen instructions. Congratulations! Now that you have a Rocket PH account, ay pwede ka nang magbenta ng digital products sa platform na ito. Ang kagandahan kasi sa Rocket PH guys is that wala kang babayaran kung mag-listing ka or kung mag-upload ka ng digital products mo or maglagay ka ng services mo. Tsaka ka na magkakaroon ng fee kapag may nabenta ka na digital products. But wait guys, kung naghahanap ka ng online course about Rocket PH, then I will share with you yung course na binili ko about Rocket PH na I'm sure makatulong sa yung journey pagdating sa pagbebenta ng digital products sa Rocket PH. So kung interested ka dun sa online course na yon, you can check the description of this video para sa buong detalye. So back to our tutorial guys, ang next step na gagawin mo ay kailangan mo nang mag-upload ng iyong digital products kay Rocket PH. Sa pag-upload ng digital products kay Rocket PH ay kailangan mo ng digital products title, description, yung media, and assets. Go back tayo sa aking screen and I will show you how kung paano mo gagawin ang mga ito guys. After mong mag-sign up kay Rocket PH guys, ay pwede ka nang mag-login. And then click mo lang itong login or join. So, para makapag-login kay Rocket PH, i-click ko lang itong login with Google. And then, piliin mo yung Gmail na ginamit mo nung gumawa ka ng account kay Rocket PH. So, once nakapag-login ka na, makikita mo itong welcome back, you have logged in successfully. Alright, kung first time mo palang mag-login or kung kakagawa pa lang ng account mo kay Rocket.ph, so kailangan mo nang i-set up yung profile mo. To do that, may makita ka dito na hamburger icon. And then, i-click mo lang ito. And then, click Edit Rocketship. So, dito sa Get to Know Me, enter your Rocket.ph username. So, yung username mo is yun yung makikita sa Rocketship link mo once na i-share mo siya. As you can see here. So, make it sure na madali lang tandaan yung username mo. And then, you need to change your profile photo. Click mo lang itong change photo. And then, upload your profile photo. And then for the cover photo, you can upload up to 5 photos as well. Just click this button, add image, and add your first name and last name. And then add roles to make your profile more visible to the right opportunities. And choose country, region, city, and add a catchy headline about you. And then add a short description about you, and then once done, don't forget to click Save Changes. Kapag tapos ka na sa About page, makita mo dito sa taas yung mga menus, may About, Services, Products, Socials, and Design. So, punta naman tayo ngayon sa Products. So, dito sa Products, dito mo makikita yung mga products na ina-upload mo kay Rocket.ph. And as you can see here, meron akong ina-upload na like 5 products as of now. And then, ngayon, ay mag-add tayo ng product. So, bago tayo mag-add, punta muna tayo sa ating Canva. So, you need to have a Canva account to create your digital products. So, as you can see here, ito po yung template, no? This is the lead magnet na ginamit ko before. And as you can see here, ready-made na po ito guys. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to edit yung mga kailangan mo dito like yung color, yung font style. So, let me show you how. So, dito sa cover or yung pinaka front page ng ebook, palitan natin ng picture. Punta tayo sa photos. And hanap na tayo ng free elements. So, I like this one. Drag ko lang siya dito. And then, I can change the color here. Depende kung ano yung color brand na gusto mo. So, I will just customize yung ibang part dito. Okay, your name here, you can add your name. And then, dito naman, I will change it into this one. And this one is color. Okay, nice. As you can see, and then scroll down dito naman sa page 3. Hanap na ibang photos like this one. Simply drag and drop lang po yung mga photos na nagustuhan mo dito sa part that makes sense kung ano yung sinasabi sa page na ito. Ayan, so this is the template that I'm going to sell sa aking Rocket.ph na account. So this is 33 pages that will teach you about how to start selling digital products. So, this is a 7 steps digital business blueprint. So, once na after mong ma-edit yung buong template, ang next thing na gagawin mo is to click this share and then download and then make sure na naka-PDF standard siya. Kasi pag ang pipiliin mo ay yung flattened PDF, kung may mga links ka na nilagay dito sa documents, dito sa blueprint na ito, ay hindi siya magiging clickable once na i-download mo siya. For example, dito guys, sa part na ito, may link ako na nilagay. So, kapag dinownload mo siya na flattened PDF, kapag itatap ng mga readers mo or kiklik ng readers mo ang button na ito, hindi sila madadirect doon sa link. And also, make sure na naka-select all pages. And then, i-click mo na itong download. So, ayun guys, na-download ko na siya. I-click natin. So, andito na yung PDF. Open ko lang. As you can see here guys, may nilagay ako na click to learn more. So, kapag i-click ko ito, ay madadirect po yung readers dito sa landing page na ito. Take note of this guys, kapag mag-export ka ng mga files sa Canva, lalo na kapag ebook or may mga templates na may mga links, make it sure na naka-PDF standard. So, ngayon guys, since meron na akong products na i-upload kay Rocket PH, magpunta na ako sa aking account. Balik tayo kay Rocket PH. Under products, under my products. So, i-click ko lang itong add new product na button. And then, product type. So, piliin mo kung digital downloads ba siya or physical good. Since yung product type ko ay ebook template, so I will choose digital downloads guys. Dapat naka-on. Under the product type guys, meron kang dalawang choices, which is digital downloads or physical good. So if you are selling digital products just like mine, yung ebook template, then choose digital downloads. Okay, and then i-click mo itong continue button. And you can choose yung mga template na nandito guys, as you can see here. So, piliin ko lang itong start from scratch guys. Click ko itong button. And then, add new product. So, ano yung product name? So, if you're asking, Miss Rose, ano ba yung sinasabi mo na lead magnet? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Ano ba yung purpose nun? Ganito kasi yan guys. Kapag sinasabi natin na lead magnet, this is a type of digital products like ebook, like templates, presets, or mini course, or videos na ibibigay mo sa yung target audience or sa yung target market para makuha mo yung email address nila. This is the legit or the right way to build your email list. So if you're building an online business, it is also important that you need to build your email list. And to do that is to give away something for your target audience in exchange of their email list. Okay, so yun po ang purpose ng lead magnet. And the good news is, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng lead magnet from scratch kasi meron akong ginawa, especially if you are in the wealth niche, if yung niche mo ay nasa digital marketing and business, then you can use my lead magnet. Proceed tayo sa next step dito kay Rocket Page. Maglagay lang ako ng pangalan. So, lead magnet. So, yan guys. Medyo mahaba po yung aking product name. Kasi gusto ko lang maging specific kung ano yung binibenta ko na digital products. And also, nalagay lang ako dito kung ano yung purpose ng lead magnet. Alright guys, for the description ng products natin is that I use AI called Cloud. And here's the prompt that I use para makakome out ako ng description. As you can see here. Ayan. And ito yung description na binigay niya sa akin. So, ang gagawin ko is that I will copy this description and i-tweak ko lang siya ng konti. Here we go. Copy ko lang to. And then, punta ako sa products. And paste ko lang dito. So, medyo mahirap mag-edit pala dito guys, no? So, punta na tayo sa notepad. And then, dito ko muna siya nilagay guys. And then, I will just modify the description. So, ayun guys, tapos na ako gumawa ng description. As you can see here, nalagay ako ng here's why you'll love it. And here's what you'll get. So, yung lead magnet na ebook template, yung lead magnet na mock-up, and also 5-day email sequence template. Naglagay ako ng kunting instruction. After your payment, you will receive an email from Rocket.page that have a download link to get access to the products. Far okay na ako dito. Anyway, we can edit the description anytime naman na gusto natin. So, copy ko lang ito. And then, balik ako sa aking Rocket page. Delete ko lang yan and paste. And next is add up to 10 media to your product used to represent your product during checkout, in email, or social sharing and more. So, maglagay tayo ng media dito guys. Ang gagawin ko ay babalik muna ako sa Canva and gagawa tayo ng markup. Ngayon, isave ko muna ang front na ito kasi ito yung gagamitin ko sa ating markup design. Punta ako sa share, download, and then piliin ko ang PNG, and then itong page 1 muna, and then download. And this one, gusto ko to siya, page 11, i-download ko din siya. Download, PNG, and page 11. So, page 16. So, basically guys, ang ginagawa ko ay naghahanap na ako ng pages na magagamit ko sa aking markup later. Ayun guys, tapos na akong mag-download ng mga pages na gagamitin ko. Ngayon, punta naman ako sa markup. So, gagawa na ako ng markup para ma-upload natin sa Rocket Page. So, this is the markup guys na gagamitin natin. And of course, kasama ito sa binebenta ko na ebook. So, may lead magnet na, may markup design na din na available. So, for this case, gamitin ko itong page 1. So, punta na ako sa uploads, and then upload file, and then i-upload ko yung mga files na dinownload ko kanina. And then, as you can see here, ito yung ilan na pages galing sa aking ebook. So, unahin ko lang itong pinaka-cover. Drag ko lang siya dito sa my laptop. And, i-double click ko siya para lalabas lang yung pinaka-title niya. So, yan yung makikita niya. Yung pinaka-title ng ebook. And then, this one. Oops, gusto ko sa gitna siya. And we can add here. And another one, this one. And also, you can add more here. Simply drag and drop na lang talaga yung gagawin mo dito guys. So, if you want, you can add other pages here. Para may idea yung mga viewers mo or yung readers mo kung ano yung makukuha nila. So, ayan. For this example, ito siya guys. So, lagyan ko lang muna pala ng mga title to guys. Done na ako mag-design sa aking markup or mga photos that I'll be needed for my digital product. So, i-download ko muna ang mga ito. So, ngayon guys, balik lang tayo sa rocket.ph and under add up to 10 media to your product is i-click natin itong add media and then choose stock photo or click here to upload files. So, i-click na natin itong upload files and then punta tayo dito. So, ngayon guys, hindi kita yung mga photos. It's just something wrong with my laptop. So, hayaan na lang muna natin guys. So, bali, iselect ko lang to lahat. And then, click open. And here you go guys. As you can see, ito yung photos na makikita sa pinakataas na part ng iyong product. So, ipakita ko sa iyo mamaya. Alright. So, the assets. Punta na tayo dito sa part kung paano makukuha ng buyer natin yung digital products na binibenta natin. Under sa assets, the files the buyer will get access to once they have completed the payment. So, meron tayong dalawang option dito. You can redirect buyer to a URL. So, provide a publicly available link to the content you are selling like Google Drive, YouTube, or Zoom. So, i-direct mo sila dun sa link na yon. And also, you can upload a file. For me, punta ako dito sa upload a file since tatlo po yung products na ibibigay ko kay buyer. So, ang gagawin ko, balik ulit ako sa Canva. Gagawa ako ng thank you page na file. Alright guys, so this is the template for my thank you page na ibibigay ko kay buyer once makapag-pay na siya. So as you can see here, ito ay listing kapag yung roadmap yung binibili niya. So, i-edit ko lang muna ang mga details dito para magamit natin for the ebook template. Let's go. Alright guys, so ito yung ginawa ko sa aking thank you page. Bali, in-upload ko lang yung photo dito. And then, nilagay ko lang siya dito. And then, change ko yung grant access of resale rights. Dito yung pangalan ng products and yung term of resale. Yes guys, if you will get this template, so you will have the resale rights para ibenta din to sa iba. Optional lang naman to guys, okay? And then for the lead magnet ebook, and then ito yung tatlong links na paglalagyan ko ng mga links. So first is the lead magnet ebook template. So punta tayo sa ating lead magnet. So ito yung lead magnet template natin. So click ko lang itong share and punta ka sa more. So kung nagbebenta ka ng template using Canva, so ito yung pipiliin mo para yung template na binibenta mo ay ma-edit ng tao na bumibili sa'yo. So, since ebook template po yung binibenta ko, and then ito nga yung pipiliin ko template link. So, i-click ko lang ito, and then copy. And then, balik ako sa aking thank you page. And then, i-click ko ito dito sa lead magnet. Since may nakalagay na po siya, i-delete ko muna. Ay, nawala. So, click ko lang itong edit. And then, click ko to. Highlight ko lang ulit yung text. And then, meron kang makikita dito na magic right. And then, katabi niyan ay yung icon link. So, yun po yung i-click mo. And then, enter the link dito dun sa template. And then, click done. Click done ulit. Alright. So, andito na yung lead magnet ebook template natin. Kasunod ay ang 7 lead magnet mockup. So, punta ako sa mockup. I will click this share. Click this template link. Copy template link. Balik tayo dito guys. So, highlight natin ulit. Since may link na ito, click ko lang itong pencil icon. And then click delete or remove na icon. And then click ko ulit itong link. And then i-paste ko na siya dito. Click done. Okay. Next is 7-day email sequence template. So, this one ay nasa Google Docs ko nilagay. And as you can see here, ito yung 7 days email sequence. So, i-share natin ang file nito. Click file. And then, share. Share with others. And dito sa general access, guys, make it sure na naka-anyone with the link siya. Para ma-share mo yung docs in public. Kasi kapag naka-private yan, guys, kailangan pa nilang humingi sa'yo ng permission para ma-access nila yung files. So, bago mo i-copy yung link, make sure na anyone with the link yung general access. And then once done, i-click mo na itong copy link. So, link copied. Click mo lang itong done. Balik tayo sa Canva. Tapos, dito sa 7-day email sequence. Same as usual guys. I-delete ko muna itong link na nakalagay dito. And then, click ko ulit itong link icon. And then, paste ko na yung link ng docs. And meron akong babaguhin dito guys. As you can see dito sa banda, may nakalagay na edit, question mark. So, in this case, I don't want na my buyer will edit the files or yung laman ng documents. Ang gagawin ko dito is palitan ko siya ng copy. Alright. Pag i-click nila ang link na ito is gagawa sila ng copy ng docs yung 7 days email sequence from my Google Drive. So, magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang copy. So, click mo lang itong done. So, link added. And then, click done ulit. Here you go, guys. So, we are done. Na-complete na natin yung mga links kung saan pwedeng ma-access ng buyer natin yung mga digital products. And next page is ito na, guys. So, don't forget to add a button where your buyer can leave a review about your products. So, ayan. So, naglagay ako dito. So, this one is linked to my Rocket Page store. And then, naglagay din ako dito ng my social media accounts so that my buyers can reach out to me anytime if they have a question. And also, nag-add ako dito ng website ko. So, everything is good to go na, guys. Click ko na itong share. And then, download. I will choose standard PDF kasi may link tayong nilagay dito. And then, click ko na itong download. Ayun siya, guys. Downloaded na po yung listing natin. And I will show you how it looks like. So, as you can see here, guys, yung PDF file, ito yung bale ma-access or makukuha ni client or ni buyer. After the payment, ayan, makikita niya ito. So, once i-click niya ito, click here for the lead magnet ebook. Ayan, open new tab natin. As you can see here, a template created by was shared with you. Start designing now. So, i-click niya na lang itong use template for new design. Ganon din po sa lead magnet mockup. And then for the 7-day email sequence template, i-click niya lang ito. My buyer will be redirected to this page. Okay. So, para makopy mo yung 7 days email sequence, click mo itong button na make a copy. Balik na tayo sa rocket.ph. So, under assets, guys, instead of dadalhin ko sila sa isang URL, ang pipiliin ko ay itong upload a file. And then, drop your file or click here. So, i-select files natin, guys. And then, piliin ko itong Rocket PH listing ebook template na PDF. Click open. So, ayan siya, guys. Uploaded na. And then, maglagay ako ng price. So, ilagay ko lang 197. Ayan. So, you can buy this ebook template bundle for just 197. And then you will have an option here to save and publish or save draft muna kung may babaguhin ka pa, or you can cancel. For this one, I will save and publish kasi goods to go naman. Goods to go. Kasi good to go na to, guys. So, click ko itong save and publish. And check natin sa products. Here you go. Okay, andito na siya, guys. Ebook template for lead magnet. Build your email list using this ebook template. Gusto ko lang makita yung store ko from the POV ng isang buyer. So, punta ako sa aking rocket.ph na account. And then, under products, ito na siya, guys. Here you go. Yung ginawa natin kanina. So, click ko lang. And these are the images na nilagay natin. Lead magnet ebook. That's good to go, guys. And ito yung title. Ayan, about this product. Ayan, andito yung description. If you want to buy, so click mo na itong buy now button. So make sure kapag bibili ka sa Rocket Page, guys, make it sure na yung ilagay mo na email address is active and check the spelling as well para ma-receive mo yung email from Rocket Page kung paano mo ma-download yung digital products na binili mo kay Rocket Page. So, if you follow along this video and then nakapag-upload ka ng digital products mo sa Rocket Page, then I just want to say congratulations. Ang next step na gagawin mo is to drive traffic to your Rocket Page store or shop through creating content sa social media. Kasi hindi porket nakapag-display ka na ng digital products mo kay Rocket Page ay kikita ka na walang gagawin. No, that's not it, guys. Hindi doon nagtatapos ang trabaho mo bilang isang digital product business owner. So, you need to promote your products para kikita ka at magkakaroon ka ng sales sa iyong Rocket PH store. So, guys, if you find value from this video, let me know in the comment section below para alam ko din naman na meron pala kayong natutunan sa mga ginagawa ko na video. And if may questions kayo, suggestions, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So kung hindi mo pa napanood yung aking first month journey as a Rocket Page digital product seller, you can watch on this video here. Ayan, and I will see you there.